shipped my first SaaS Olyez 3 months ago, but I haven't talked about it in any of my video. So in this video, I will be talking about why Olyez, what its current feature, and also talking about its pricing plan. We know while we are trying to learn any new skill, we usually go to YouTube and then we search the topic. After that, we get tons of video. Because we are new, we don't know which video to watch first. And this video isn't well curated. For this reason, we fell on the trap of distraction. And if we find the proper video, we also need relevant resources about the topic. If we get stuck in any point, we also need real-time tutor who can help us. And we also need to evaluate ourselves. So Olyez is the place where we are trying to solve all of this problem. Okay, now we are in the landing page of Olyez, and you can find us by just typing olyez.com in any browser. Now, if we click on the Get Started button, okay, after successful Google authentication, we finally redirected in our dashboard page. Now, let's suppose we want to learn about generative AI. So first of all, we have to type the topic generative AI here, and then we have to click on the generate button. So it first of all it will generate the outline for our course. So after 3 to 5 seconds it generates the course plan for us. So you can see that it generates all the module for us, and you can also see that under every module you can see lots of chapter, 3 to 4 chapter here. You can delete any chapter, you can also shift their position, you can shift module position if you want, you can also add any lesson if you want. So you can do any types of thing. You can also add module if you want. So after editing the course plan, if I want to generate the course, then I have to just click this generate button. Okay, now it is our final course interface. So you can see all of our generated module and all of our chapter. Now, if you want to generate this chapter, then you have to just click on this button and then you have to wait for 10 seconds. Now you can see we get our summarized content, and also we get some visual images. Because we are trying to learn about transformer, we get the image of transformer architecture. And it also some attention layer, all types of thing, transformer based model. So it gives us image based on our chapter, and then it gets the best relevant video for this chapter. Because our chapter is transformer, it gets a video from YouTube about transformer. If we get stuck in any point, we have an intelligent tutor where we can ask any types of question, and this intelligent tutor have the context about our course and all of our chapter. So we don't need to give context about the chapter. So let's suppose we are asking what is the difference between AI and ML in table format. Okay, now you can see it first analyze the context information and then it give the final output in table format. So you can see our platform also support complex types of markdown structure. So after completing the chapter, we have a section for quiz where you can evaluate yourself. So you will be given 3 to 4 quiz where you have to just click all of this quiz and you have to just check the answer. So you will be given all the correct answer. Now if you want to edit your chapter content, you can edit it from here. Now you can see we have our real-time markdown editor where you can change anything and you will be notified in real time. Here you can see if I just delete this generative AI, so you can see it will be automatically reflected here. And in here you can add any types of complex code types of equation, any types of complex math equation, any types of thing. You can add any YouTube video, any image, all of this thing. And then you just have to save the content. Now after completing the course, if you want to share this course with your friend, you can just share it from here. You just have to copy the link. you can get all of your generated courses in our dashboard library section. Okay, now let's talk about our pricing plan. So first of all, you have to go to in our account section. So when you first time log in Olyez, we will give you 5000 credit. By using those credit, you can generate chapter and we will deduct credit along with chapter creation. Okay, now if you want to buy our pro subscription, you just have to redirect in our billing section. In here, we will give you unlimited credit for course creation and you just have to pay us $9.99 per month. Okay, that's all for this video. We will highly appreciate your feedback.